Work hard. Be somebody. And be something more than what you see in the mirror. Let the world be your mirror. Don't let them judge you, because the mirror can't judge you. You judge what you see in the mirror.
What's good, YouTube, man? Thank y'all for watching the 252 channel. Come up, kid. Come up, gang. What's poppin', man? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You did. And today we're gonna go back in the 90s. This might have been, I was born, but I don't remember how old I was when this came out. I had to be pretty young though. But it's a deep song, man. I'm about to look at this video, Naughty by Nature. This is old now, and I only got 868,000 views. This video gotta be 30 years old, bro. I swear if I could. Anyway, it's called Everything's Gonna Be Alright. Let's get into it, man. Real rap. Yeah, that's how the video quality is. That's 90s.
Smooth it out. This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst with the best in Crosstown, who never planned on having so dick.
Hey, bro, y'all gotta listen to these words now, man, for real. Listen.
Some get a little, and some get none. Some catch a bad one, and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad. Never knew my dad, motherfuck the fact. When anywhere I did.
Come on, man. This already hit home. I know my dad, but he wasn't around. Man, let me just rewind that part. He made
little, and some get none. Some catch a bad one, and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad. Never knew my dad, motherfuck the fact. When anywhere I did pick up, next to clip up, see many stickers, cause niggas had to trigger hiccups. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, all she had to throw me out. I walked the strip, which is a clip who wanna hit. They got him quick, I had to eat this when he stood his spit. I threw in trades, I wasn't paid enough. I kept them low cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got laughed at, I got chumped, I got dissed. I got upset, I got a check and a banana clip. Was down the photo, let the any deal attack kid. I still been broke, so a lot of good and what it did. Or done, if not for bad luck, I wouldn't have none. Why did I?
If not for bad luck, I wouldn't have none. That means I ain't got no good luck.
I got upset, I got a check and a banana clip. Was down the photo, let the any deal attack kid. I still been broke, so a lot of good and what it did. Or done, if not for bad luck, I wouldn't have none. Why did I have to live a life for such a bad one? Why when I was a kid and played, I was a sad one. And always wanted to live like this a fat one. A ghetto bastard, born next to the projects. Living in the slums with bombs, that's when I watch it. Do I have to be like this? Mama said I'm priceless, so why am I worthless? Starving is just for being nice, kid. Sometimes I wish I could afford a pistol then, though. That's not the hell I would've ended things a while ago. I ain't have jack, but a black hat and knapsack. 4 squads, stolen cars, and a blackjack. Drop that, and now you want me to rap it, kid? Say something positive, well,
Positive ain't where I live.
I live right around the corner from West Cell, 2 blocks from South shit, and once in a jail cell. The sun never shone on my side of the street, see? And only once or twice a week I was beat. I walked alone, my state of mind was home sweet home. I couldn't keep a girl, they wanted kiss with the chrome. Some life, if you ain't with yes, I was old. And you got more juice and dope for every bottle sold. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way.
But hey, never gamble in the game that you can play. I'm on it, on it, on it, on it, on it.
Not now, how will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's a...
This dude said, never gamble in a game that you can't play. Simple, but deep.
Twice a week I was beat, I walked alone. My state of mind was home sweet home. I couldn't keep a girl, they wanted kiss with the chrome. Some life, if you ain't with yes, I was old. And you got more juice and dope for every bottle sold. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey, never gamble in a game that you can play. I'm going on, no one, and not now. How will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's how. My third year to adulthood is still a knucklehead. I'm better off
bro, you hear that, bro? I done been through more in the last week than I fly on a doodle on a Bro.
My third year to adulthood is still a knucklehead. I'm better off dead. That's what my neighbor said. I don't do jack for fighting, lighting up the street at night, playing hide and seek with a machete, such as Freddy's wife. So say I'm rolling on nothing but a dog now. I answer that with a fuck you and a bow wow. Cause I done been through more shit within the last week than a fly blowing a doodle on the concrete. I've been a deadbeat, dead to the world and dead wrong. Since I was born, that's my life. Oh, you don't know the song? So don't say jack. And please don't say you understand. All that man talk can walk. Damn, if you ain't living, you couldn't feel it. So feel it, skill it. And all I'm talking about, it won't help it out. Now will it? In no town, feel like I slept up, rocked, got shot. Don't worry, got hit by a flurry and his fuck has dropped. But I'm the one who has been labeled as an outcast. They teach us fools, I'm the misfit dollar outlast. But that's cool with the full smack them backwards. That's what you get for fucking with a ghetto bastard. If
You never been to the ghetto,
don't
or
ever
come to the ghetto.
Cause you wouldn't understand
Stand the ghetto.
Stay the fuck out of it. Want me? Want me?
Naughty by nature. Come on, man. Yo, that was, man, come on, that's classic, bro. Y'all need to go watch my video. But if you want to watch the full video without me rewinding it, go check it out, man. That's a good video, man. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna see if I can find it on my phone. Yeah, but anyway, man, that's going in the ride. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for watching the 252 channel. Come up, kid. Come up, gang. You did what I'm saying. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Be somebody. Oh.
Kid,
Yeah, say it again.
come up, buddy, come up, kid.